Hey, what's up guys? Harrington here. Happy Fursuit Friday. It's officially spooky season. That means costumes are everywhere. So this is a great opportunity for people new to the fursuiting fandom to give it a shot by using store-bought stuff to make a starter suit so they can explore this aspect of the hobby. So this month we're going to take a look at a couple different places you can look into if you want to start fursuiting. So sit back, relax, and subscribe to the channel because this week we're looking at Party City. Let's go. First off, a quick few disclaimers. Number one, you do not need a fursuit to be a furry. Two, these are just suggestions. These are only meant to get those who can't afford a custom-built fursuit started. It's not meant to be a catch-all or all-encompassing solution. Party City is a pretty solid place to get not only some parts like tails, horns, maybe a mask if you need it. It's also a great place to shop for accessories for your persona. It's like the Walmart of costume shops, if that makes any sense. Most of their animal themed stuff is for kids though, so finding something that fits might require a little bit of digging. All things considered, in my honest opinion, Party City is good if you already have a setup that you're looking to maybe improve with some accessories and bits and bobs. But what do you think? Do you use anything from Party City in your costume? Let me know down in the comments below. But that's going to do it for this week's super short video, guys. I'm sorry it took so long to get out here. But a big thanks to my Patreons, Sobuhasi and Sasha Fennick. You guys are awesome. If you enjoy my content, then make sure you let me know by liking the video, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you hit that bell icon so that you're notified of future content. Also, don't forget to check out my Patreon if you want to support my work more directly. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.